guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Alicia, aka Ali, and in today's video I will be doing this gothic makeup look on dark skin. If you would like to see how to do gothic makeup on your dark skin, if you're interested, please keep watching. So I have to do a voiceover for this video because my neighbor was playing real music and couldn't talk. Anyway, so I went into the Dream Shots palette and I'll be using the black and smoking that to the top and the bottom of my eye.
Wake me up inside. I can't wake up. Wake me up inside. Save me. Call my name and save me from the dark.
So now I'm going back into the palette and I'll be taking this shimmery color right here and I'll be putting that in the inner corners. So now I'll be drawing on my winged liner. So now I'll be drawing some winged liner but to the bottom of my eye. So it's the same thing but to the bottom. So now I'm going to take some of that LA Gel concealer in that cocoa and clean up right around where I draw the wing liner to the top and the bottom. Now I'm going in with some black eyeliner on my waterline. So now I'm just gonna smoke out the top just a little more. Since I don't have any black lipstick, I'll be using the same black liner that I use on my eyes and my lips for a full black lip. So I'm gonna take my liquid liner and create some lines along my lips to make my upper lip look longer, kind of like if I'm doing like a clown mouth. hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
See into my eyes like open doors.